Welcome to our exploration of the extraordinary life of a man behind a luxury brand. From revolutionizing the luxury goods industry to shaping global fashion trends, this man's story is a captivating journey of ambition, creativity, and entrepreneurial genius. Join us as we uncover the secrets behind his success, delve into his visionary leadership, and explore the profound impact of his iconic brands on the world of luxury. This is the story of Bernard Arnault, the man behind the magic of LVMH Louis Vuitton Moet Hennessy. Bernard Arnault, the chairman and CEO of LVMH Moet Hennessy, Louis Vuitton SE, is a titan in the world of luxury goods and fashion. Let's delve into his fascinating history and achievements in simple terms. Early beginnings and family legacy. Bernard Arnault was born into a wealthy family in France in 1949. His father owned a construction company, and Arnault learned valuable business lessons from him at a young age. Arnault studied engineering and later earned a degree in business administration. Building an empire. In 1984, Arnault acquired a struggling textile company called Boussac, which owned the luxury brand Christian Dior. This marked the beginning of Arnault's foray into the luxury goods industry. He transformed Dior into a global powerhouse, revitalizing the brand's image and expanding its product lines. Formation of LVMH. Arnault's ambition didn't stop with Dior. In 1987, he orchestrated the merger of Dior with Moet Hennessy, a leading producer of champagne and cognac, to form LVMH Moet Hennessy, Louis Vuitton SE. This merger created the world's largest luxury goods conglomerate, with a portfolio of prestigious brands spanning fashion, cosmetics, watches, and spirits. Luxury empire expansion. Under Arnault's leadership, LVMH continued to expand its portfolio through strategic acquisitions and investments. The conglomerate acquired iconic brands such as Louis Vuitton, Givenchy, Fendi, Bulgari, and Sephora, cementing its position as the leader in the global luxury market. 1. Innovations and cultural influence. Arnault's keen eye for talent and innovation has kept LVMH at the forefront of the luxury industry. The conglomerate has embraced technology, sustainability, and digital marketing to engage with consumers and adapt to changing market trends. LVMH's brands have become synonymous with luxury, elegance, and style, influencing global fashion and culture. Philanthropy and legacy. Beyond business success, Bernard Arnault is also known for his philanthropic endeavors. He has donated millions to various charitable causes, including education, healthcare, and cultural preservation. Arnault's legacy extends beyond his business empire, leaving a lasting impact on society and the arts. Vision for the future. As chairman and CEO of LVMH, Bernard Arnault continues to steer the conglomerate towards further growth and innovation. His vision for the future includes expanding LVMH's presence in emerging markets, embracing sustainability, and maintaining the group's position as the pinnacle of luxury and excellence. In simple terms, Bernard Arnault's story is one of ambition, creativity, and entrepreneurial spirit. From humble beginnings to leading the world's largest luxury goods conglomerate, Arnault's journey exemplifies the power of vision, determination, and innovation in shaping the global business landscape. For more video like this, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.